Hello my olives, welcome back to another vlog. I just thought I'd start vlogging today. I'm not sure where this is going, but I'm gonna start off with a wash routine because I really need to wash my hair. I'm doing some exciting things this week, so hopefully I can capture them for this vlog. But yes, let's hop in the shower and wash this hair. Okay, we've got fresh hair. I used the Geo Replenishing Duo. I've included that in my May favorites. I love it, it's super nourishing and it's got all naturally derived ingredients. I'm gonna go in with this Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I use this a lot. I just feel like it's such a good quality, naturally derived product, and I use it when I feel like my hair isn't at its best, like it's feeling a bit damaged or dry. Just put that all over basically. And as always, I feel like I always use this in videos, but it's the Avocado Hair Mousse by Curls. Now with the Denman brush, I'm just going to brush through my whole hair. Make sure the product gets spread evenly. And just scrunch through your hair. Scrunch up the curls, honey. And for gel, I'm going to use the Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel. It has aloe vera and Nigella sativa. I don't know if that's how you say it, but it's amazing. Huh? I'm doing a vlog.
Yeah, well, you're meant to be making me some lunch.
Wow, how rude is he, guys? Should I put the gel in my hair?
This is the Bounce Curl product, Light Creme Gel. And it's with aloe vera and Nigella. Yep, it's very good. So what I'm doing now is, it's used for curly hair, obviously. And you just want to put in just a little bit like two fingertips full. And what you want to do is you want to apply it, and as you're applying it, you want to, you know, just get it all in the tips. It's the tips is where we need to put them in, right? You want to push it up and do scrunches as you're applying.
Yeah, basically put it everywhere.
And put it everywhere.
Okay. Yep. Now scrunch.
Now scrunch. Scrunch.
If my curls turn out bad, it's your fault.
This is the best your curls are ever gonna look. I don't know what you're worried about. Oh, that's good, isn't it? Oh yeah. Scalp
massage. Okay, thank you.
It comes in a 385 milliliter bottle. Go to bouncecurl.com for more information, and it's got water in one of the ingredients. Distribute gel through hair after it is brushed and extremely wet. Scrunch, air dry, or diffuse. Today we're going to be scrunching, as you can see. You look really cute today. I like that outfit.
Thanks. It's from Nasty Gal.
You're nasty, girl. You're nice.
Sorry for that interruption. Now I'm just defining the bits that I want to be extra defined with the Denman brush, as always. Let's go eat. What are we eating for lunch? Ew.
What we're eating today is we're eating some lovely leftovers prepared previously by Olivia's mother.
So I'm gonna have this beef dish with rice and potato.
And I'm having this chicken and vegetable and rice dish. I'm very happy to be eating this. Thank you very much. I can't, the sun. The sun. Okay, so your hair results. Let's just get a quick exposure check. Okay, hair results. Lovely volume. Wait, you can't even see. It's too bright. Come in here. Volume is lovely. Don't know what volume is, just hear it said a lot. Volume, excellent. Excellent volume. Texture, coarse. No, good texture. You can see there's many layers to this curl, this finished result. Don't know what else to say besides it looks very good. It's a good result. And when you see it in the sun, it glistens. You'll see a photo and
me in the eye.
Glistens. That's a big ass nostril you got there. Oh, my nose is a bit itchy. Can you get it for me? What are you doing? Oh, thank you. Let's go.
Hey guys, if my face looks a little red, it's because I just like plucked everything and did a nose strip. But anyway, it's the next day. I'm going to go to Natalie and Hair and get my makeup and hair done just for fun, to put photos on their Instagram. They have like 500k followers, which is cool, and hopefully I can get some pics for my feed as well. But yeah, this is like a pamper week because I'm on uni break, and yeah, I just want to pamper myself after working hard last term. So yeah, that's why I don't have makeup on right now. I'm gonna go in and they're gonna do my makeup first, and then some cool hairstyles, hopefully. Hopefully I can get some footage on this camera, otherwise I'll try get some on my phone. But yes, that's what we're doing today. Let's go! Stop watching me.
Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Put that on my partner, I put that on my family. Oakland City represent, address me as your majesty. Yeah, you can kiss the ring, but you can never touch the crown. I smoke a million Swisher blunts and I ain't never coming down. Bitch, you ain't no Barbie. I see you work at Arby's. Number 2, supersize. Hurry up, I'm starving. Gnarly, radical. On the block, I'm magical. See me at your college campus, baggy full of Adderall.
Hey guys, it's the next day. I don't know if I got that much footage from yesterday, but it was such a cool day. The salon was so nice, and Natalie is amazing. She's super sweet and very talented with curls, which is very rare because she was telling me how in training there's actually no professional training in different hair textures other than straight hair. There's no training in kinky or curly hair, and she's actually done a really good post where you can go sign a petition to make sure that all hairstylists, to be qualified, they have to know how to style all hair textures. But yeah, it was such a fun day. I didn't know I would be there for that long. I ended up being there for like 4 hours. There were other models, and I got to model with another curly girl, and it was really fun. And then I forgot to vlog, but I went out to dinner with my friends. We got some pasta and pizza, and it was really fun. So I was literally out all day, and I didn't get home till like 9:30. This morning I've been really busy. I've packed some Depop orders, and I've been to the post office, and I got a lot of parcels. They all came at once, so I was like very overwhelmed but also very excited. It's like it's my birthday. It was just so many parcels coming. So I've been organizing all those outfits that have been sent in the mail, organizing what content I want to do. I am going away on a weekend family trip, so I don't know, I'm feeling overwhelmed because I have a lot of work to do before I go away, but we'll get it done. Anyway, I'm about to leave to get a 2.5-hour massage and facial. This is not something regular that I do. It's because my mum and myself, we just really wanted a pamper day because we've been working really hard. I've been really stressed out with uni this year and just everything going on. We wanted to treat ourselves to a fancy massage. That's why I'm not wearing any makeup, because I'm going to be getting a facial. I've never gotten a facial before, so I'm really excited. And then we'll get some lunch after, so hopefully I can get some footage. I don't know if I can get any in the spa, we'll see. But yes, I'm outfit repeating what I wore yesterday. I just really like this outfit, and it's good for the weather right now. But yes, let's go! I just washed my hair. I've got these clips in that Natalie Ann gave me yesterday at the salon to use to kind of keep my fringe in place while it dries. And when I diffuse it, it kind of makes sure that it dries in that position. That's what she did at the salon, and my fringe just looked so good, so I thought I'd try it at home. I used the Bondi Boost Curl Bust collection for today's wash, well, tonight's wash. And then Natalie was kind enough to give me her hair mask. It's this enriched hydration mask. Got charcoal in it, but one of the employees at the salon yesterday was wearing it in her hair, and she had curly hair, and I felt it and I was like, it's so soft. And she's like, it's this charcoal mask. So I'm actually really excited to see the results. I just left it in my hair for 5 minutes. Anyway, I'm gonna get off the camera because I look like a drowned rat. Hey guys, it's the next day. I got my eyelashes done this morning. They're very natural, but how pretty are they? Yeah, they're exactly what I wanted, just something more subtle and not as obvious and black. But I'm just shooting some content. I have been for the past few hours, so I'm getting tired now. I'll show you the outfit that I was shooting. I love all these necklaces together. They're all from different places. Check out my jewelry video to get deets on those. I've got this blazer dress from Lioness. I just love the color, and I really wanted something to pair with these brown boots that I got from Boohoo, and I just thought this was perfect. And then I paired it with this bag from Misguided. I'm obsessed with styling and fashion at the moment. Let me know if you want me to do more styling videos and fashion and all that. Anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thanks so much for watching. I wanted to post a YouTube video every 2 days, but I'm going away for 4 days, so I might not be able to post then. I don't really know how good the reception is there where I'm going, but let me know what other videos you want to see next. Don't forget to check out my Instagram and like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in my next video.